Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crimsyn for those of you that don't know me, and if you are new here, welcome. So obviously today's video is different than what I would normally film on this channel. Okay, so I just want to mention that this is my room as the finished product, so you're kind of getting a sneak peek. I'm actually editing this video right now and I realized I don't know what happened to my intro video, so I'm filming it now. Today's video is obviously different than any other video I've done on my channel before because obviously I've only done like beauty and hair, but I wanted to make this room makeover into a video because as of recently, I don't know if anybody else has felt this way, but I feel like we're getting into a new season. I mean, obviously we've moved from spring to summer, but I guess after the stay-at-home orders in a lot of areas have lifted, I feel like we're moving into a new season like in a different way this year. And obviously Corona isn't over or anything like that, but I don't know, I feel like from January to May versus it's like what, June, what is it, July 1st? I don't know. I just feel like this half of the year could be, and I'm speaking it into existence, it could be better than the first half of the year. And that's just how I feel as of now. I definitely feel like those couple months were a really low part of the year for me and for a lot of people obviously, but as of recently I've been really out of it and I just felt the need to change up a lot of things in my life, one being my room. So I figured why not film it and get myself back into the habit of making videos for my channel again. And I'm really happy with the way it turned out, and like I said, this is a little sneak peek for you guys because it is done already. But I'm editing right now and I realized I didn't have an intro video, so if you're new here, welcome. And if you do like this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. So if you want to see how I transformed my room, then just keep watching. Bye guys. Okay, so I didn't clean my room or anything, just so you guys can see how it looks before I do anything with it. Like I said, it's been this way for a couple years and I'm just ready to do something else with it. I don't know. So this is my door. Obviously it's where you come in, and those are the bags that I just got from Home Goods. Like I said, I didn't clean anything because I wanted you guys to see literally how it looks on an everyday. It's my dresser, pretty boring. Not gonna go into detail of anything. Banner's been here for years. Everything's been here for years and I'm just bored. I don't know. I really don't have any place for my shoes or anything. Well, I do have space in my closet for shoes, but I don't have like an official shoe rack or anything for me to put shoes on. The shoes that don't fit in my closet are obviously just sitting outside of my closet. Okay, now here's the other side of my room. I just have my floor mirror, and then this is my fan. I don't have a ceiling fan at the moment. This is my ceiling light. I'll cut the light on. It's a very boring light. I'm not a fan of it, but you know, it's a light. Like I said, that's my mirror. And then this is the ceiling fan that I do plan on putting up or getting put up in this video. And it's just a very standard, you know, ceiling fan. Then on this side of my bed, I just have things that I go to often. Just kidding, I'm not traveling often. I don't know why I said that. But this is my handbag, obviously, that I wear all the time. Hey, it's me. Then this is just my makeup vanity station, desk, whatever you want to call it. Very junky, very cluttered. I try my best to keep it clean, but this is Bentley's crate. This is where he sleeps right now. And then right here, I just have my TV up. And yeah, that's basically it for my room for the before. So now I'm gonna show you guys the process of getting it to my after. Now I'm just gonna get started on redecorating. So I did buy a duvet cover and pillowcases and a throw blanket, and I'm gonna throw those all in the wash before I put them on my bed for cleanliness reasons, number one, and then number two, it's like the biggest part of my room, so why not make it smell better anyway. And I'm not sure if I want to put those on right now or not because I am still getting my ceiling fan put in soon, so I don't want, you know, the dust from the ceiling fan to drop onto my fresh bed. So I am gonna get them started in the washer, like I said, right now, just to get the germs out, because if the germs are in that bag, they're floating out into my room right now. So I'm gonna get started on that right now. Hey everybody, I'm back and it is day 2 of redoing my room. So clearly nothing has really changed so far except my ceiling fan So the plan was to wait for my fan to go up before I did anything with my bed, just because I didn't want any, you know, dust to fall or anything. So while I was waiting for the fan to go up, I was washing the new sheets that I just got. But then I realized I bought a duvet cover. I don't have a duvet. I don't know why it didn't trigger in my head duvet cover, not comforter. So it looks a little weird without the insert because it's just a cover for something else to go into. I'm not even sure if I can give it back because I put it in the washer. So here's the thing. Okay, I did think about the sheets while I was in the store, but I thought I already had sheets that were gonna match this set at my house, and I don't. But I have been on Target's website and they have a good neutral selection. So you might catch me at Target tomorrow. I'm not in here for lamps at all, but this one is so cute. These remind me of like a jade stone. Okay, I think this is good for now. This is gonna jazz up my bed. I have 2 pillows. I have those decorative pillows, and then I have a sheet set. And I think I'm gonna be good for now. Okay, so here's a closer look of how the pictures look all together on the wall, but at least this way you can see how it would look once everything's hung up. So if I can find some black photo frames, some like 8x10 photo frames, then I think that would be really cute, because then I have my mirror here, which is also that black wood, and then it'll be the same material as the fan, so it all ties in together in a way. Also, I don't think I mentioned before, but I did have my mirror just straight facing this way at first, and then I just turned it a little bit, and I took the Christmas lights down that were up here and I put it over the mirror, and then I had my mirror just sitting against the corner of the room. And I feel like it really opens my room up way more than how it was just standing up against the wall. I don't know how to explain it, but I love it here way more than when it was just standing straight up. In the reflection, I just have some pillows that were from my old bed set. Are people tired of the string light trend yet? Because I don't know, I still like them. Okay, so here's how my room looks so far, and I am so happy with it. I love that where this mirror is, you can see the TV in the view of if I were to take pictures right here or something. If you're wondering what this is right here, this is the attic of my house. The attic is in my room, but it's not a functional attic where I can like really have like a 2-story room or something. That would be so cool, but it's literally just a door on my ceiling. So yeah, I just have some last minute cleaning to do, get that trash out of my room, and then get frames for these pictures, and then I'll basically be done. So I'm just gonna show you guys how it all looks as a final product when it's all finished. So okay, so for this picture frame that I already had here, I printed out another sheet of paper. Originally I printed out this sheet of paper and I put it into this frame to give it like more of a personalized look in here. So I plan on doing the same thing with this picture that I just printed out. Obviously it just says it's all in your head, and it matches the whole, you know, neon vibe that's going on here. So I'm just gonna cut this up in the dimensions of this frame, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when it's done. Hey everybody, I'm back, and I believe today is day 3 of me redecorating my room. In today's package, since I get a package every day, I finally got the frames to put these pictures in. So I'm gonna do that. Then I also got a TV upgrade, which I wasn't even expecting. So I had to get new LED lights because I bought a box already, then I got the TV, and then I had to get more lights. So I got longer lights to go around the whole TV now. So those are gonna be the final touches of my room. I also have another drawing, painting, canvas thing that's still coming in the mail. So now I'm just gonna get started on putting those frames up. I'm using double-sided tape to put these on the wall, and I hope it's strong enough. Are we serious? You're not gonna be able to see it when you put it up, but I'm gonna see it. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's fine, I guess. 2-star rating. Y'all, that looks really cute. Wait. Okay. Oh my gosh. Why does it smell like that? Oh my gosh, it smells like chemicals. Okay, so what I realized is that you don't get a remote with the lights because the lights are controlled by an app. I thought I was scammed. Hey guys, so it's finally nighttime. I wanted to wait until nighttime for me to show you guys the final look of the room because that way you guys could see the lights better and things. And I really love how everything turned out, and I'm just looking around at everything. I can't help but look at everything and just be so excited. So now I'm just gonna turn the camera around and show you guys everything, and yeah. And then as you guys could see, it only took me a little less than a week to finish the whole thing. This was just something to, I don't know, make my room different for the summer. That's simply what it was. And I feel like this upgrade just made my room a whole lot more mature. But yeah, I'm just gonna turn the camera around and show you guys and see the final product for yourselves. And yeah.
Black leather glove, no sequin. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Hey. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get you the passion. It's a thriller in the track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No.
Alright you guys, so that's all I have for this video. Like I said, I really love how everything turned out. I just love everything about my room now, and I'm really proud of myself. So if you guys like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and make sure you guys don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this in the future. I think that's all I have to say, right? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys!